This is a lift station. You may have seen these around town. There are a lot of them here in Florida because Florida's so flat. What they're used for is to take wastewater and to pump it to the treatment plant. Living here in Florida, I've noticed an enormous amount of lift stations. Here's another lift station in our community. Think of it as like an access point for an underground wastewater river. Pump stations are great at moving large volumes of wastewater. But the problem is that grease, fats, oils, and raw sewage end up traveling through those pipelines as well. Organic and inorganic materials gather here at these lift stations and end up creating these floating solid islands that wreak havoc on the essential pumps that allow the water to flow to the treatment plant, and also when they gather here, they become stagnant and then end up putting out terrible odors. The towns spend thousands of dollars on maintenance crews to come vacuum pump out these lift stations, also trying to eradicate the odor, and nothing seems to really work. Most towns that rely heavily on these lift stations don't realize that there's a solution out there. I recently flew up to Cleveland, Ohio to meet up with my cousin Con, who works at IMET Corporation. He invited me up to show me the installation of the IMET reactors into one of the local lift stations near Cleveland. The pumps inside the lift station were completely covered in grease, oil, fats, raw sewage, and a collection of rags. This video shows the installation of the IMET reactors and how effective they can be. One reactor there, and one reactor over here.